more. Okay, my dear students, bring your calculator, please. Bring your calculator. Yes. Okay, shall we start? Shall we start, my dear students? I have now, I check with you. I have 9 participants. I have Mishari is the first one. And then I have Sulaiman, Tamim, Ahmed Al-Inazi, Faisal Al-Ajami, Hamoud Al-Harbi, Mazen Assam, Sulaiman Al-Mihitib, and Diyad. I'm just waiting for 1 minute and I'll start. I'll take now the attendance. I'll take the attendance. And please, as I said, bring your calculator, a pen, and a paper. I'll take now the participants. Muhammad Arif also joined us. So Muhammad Arif, Saud Al-Harbi. Okay, I'll start from the beginning. I'll start from the beginning. I have Mishari. I have Mishari. I have Tamim. Number 3, I have Ahmed Al-Inazi. Number 4, I have Faisal. Number 5, Hamoud Al-Harbi. 6, Mazen. Number 7, I have Muhammad Al-Muhsin. Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Al-Rafa. Saud Al-Harbi. Sulaiman Al-Mihitib. And Ziyad. Okay. And Naif also. Naif. Naif and Ibrahim Al-Nasser. Okay. Let's start. Let's start. Okay. So I have here okay. Yes, let's start with the first example. Let's start with the first example. Okay, we have, we'll start from the end of yesterday problem. We have a hilltop. The angle of elevation from the point A is to the top of the hill is 49 degrees. If a point A is 400 feet from the base of the hill, how high is the hill? How high is the hill? I start with I start with I'm going to get here. Yes. So we have here. Yes. I started to draw and then I'll choose one to solve with me. If we have a problem for angle of elevation or angle of depression, the drawing is a very important part of a problem. It's represent about 75% of the problem. So I start to draw. First, I start to draw. So I start with Muhammad Sulaiman first. Sulaiman Mshari. Okay, Mshari. Okay,
Hello.
Mshari.
What?
You hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Mshari, I'll draw the problem and then you help me to solve it. First,
Okay.
Mshari, if we have here a problem like this, we start to read it quickly. Please start to read the problem. A hilltop.
A hilltop, the angle of elevation from point A to the top of a hill is 49. If point A is 400 feet from the base of the hill, how high is the hill?
Yes, so he said angle of elevation. It means we look up or we look down.
Up.
Yes, so we have a person now. If we have a person, this is a person, okay? And this person is looking up, is looking up. Do you see my writing?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
okay. So, and I have here the horizontal plane. So this is the horizontal plane, and this is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is what?
49.
So I just write here 49 degree. Okay. طيب. If the point A is 400 feet from the base, so just now I need to draw. The line of or represent the hill by this.
400.
Yes, by this part. Okay, so this is the hill, for example. This is my hill. So I have here the distance from the person or the point A, okay, to the hill is 400. So I just write here 400 feet. Okay, after that, he asked me for what? How high is the
Hill.
Yes, I need to find the height of the hill. It means I need to find x. I can determine it by x, by y, by any letter.
And we need the purple line.
So I need the purple line, yes, the height of the hill, yes, which is a vertical line. You know that,
Yes.
Mishari, the vertical line and the horizontal line are perpendicular. So now we have a right angle triangle. If we have a right angle triangle, we can use one of the trig functions. We can use one of the trig functions. Which is the best one to use it now?
It will be opposite over adjacent.
Excellent.
Tank.
Opposite over adjacent is what?
Tank.
Is the tan. Yes. So the tangent of the angle is the suitable function we use. So I just write tan what?
I will have, okay, I will write my calculator. Wait, please.
Tan what? First, tan what?
49.
Yes, tan 49 degree equal, as you said, opposite. This is the opposite. The opposite is what?
Opposite equal 400.
لا, the opposite.
Opposite. X.
The opposite is x. And the adjacent is what?
Adjacent 400.
400. Yes. So I need to find x, which is the height. Okay, the required height. So x equal what?
X equal 49 times 400.
Excellent. By using a cross multiplication, here, so x times 1 equal x, and 400 times tan 49. So I write 400 times tan 49. Okay. Equals to
460.
Yes, approximately it's 460 feet. It means, Mishari, the height of the hill is
460
feet. Thanks,
Mister,
Michelle. Excellent. What?
Mister,
Sorry, what?
can you come closer from the mic?
Okay, there is no problem. Like this?
No,
Like this?
بشوي أقل.
Type. Okay. Like this?
Yes, this is clear.
Okay. Type. We're going to.
لا كذا لسه كذا مرة بعيد.
Okay, like this?
قرب شوي.
Like this?
إيه كذا كويس.
Okay, Mishari, can you down your hand now? Down your hand, Mishari. Thanks, Mishari, for your participating. And now I'm going to another problem. But just I keep the answer for 30 seconds if you want to write it. This is the last problem in the first page in the revision sheet of yesterday. The last problem, okay? This is the answer, and the drawing, as I said, is very important, okay? If you want to write, you can write now the answer. I have 3 steps. First, I write tan, and then I write x, and then calculate after I draw the problem. Okay. I'm going to the second problem. And I can choose. Okay. Muhammad Al-Rafa. Muhammad, how are you, man?
Hello.
How are you?
اسمعني.
Good morning.
الو.
Good morning. I hear you.
صباح الخير.
صباح الفل. Okay, يلا start. Can you read the problem, please?
A ski run is 1,000 yards long with a vertical drop of 208 yards. Find the angle of depression from the top of the ski run to the bottom.
Okay, in this problem, as you see, he drew the problem. So it's very easy now. Muhammad, we talk about angle of depression or angle of elevation?
Angle of depression.
Excellent, angle of depression. This angle of depression, Muhammad, is this angle. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, this angle, what is the relation between this one and this one? What is the relation between angle 1, if I name it by 1, and this is angle 2? What is the relation between them?
They are equal.
They are equal. Why, Muhammad?
Because this is the angle of depression, this is angle of elevation, صح?
Yes, but by another words, you have two parallel line, and this is letter Z. Letter Z, it means?
It means equal.
Yes, alternative angle, and they are congruent or equal in measure. So if we want to find angle 1, we can find angle 2. There is no problem about this. Okay, now he gave you the information and write the information in the drawing. This inclined plane is 1,000 yards, and the vertical plane is 200 yards. And he asked you about find the angle of depression. So I need to find measure of angle 2, or I can name it by angle M, because the first letter for your name is M, and you will solve the problem, inshallah. Okay, so I need to find the angle M, Muhammad. How can I find it?
Tan M.
Tan equal opposite over what?
Over adjacent.
Type. You have the adjacent?
Yes, it's no.
No, you don't have the adjacent, so we can't use tan.
So we use.
Let's determine the sides we have. The opposite side is
208 and we have hypotenuse, so we use
Yes, and the
cosine.
hypotenuse is 1,000 yards. Okay, so we have here, this is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse. Opposite and the hypotenuse. What is a suitable trig function?
Sine.
Excellent. So Muhammad, I write here sine. I name the angle by m. So sine m, okay, it's equal to
Equal to 1,000.
Opposite over
208.
what?
208 over 1,000.
208 over 1,000. Pay attention about this, please. So you can write the rule. No problem about writing the rule. You can start opposite over hypotenuse, and then after that substitute in order not to confuse. Okay, after that, sine m Muhammad equal to 108 over 100. But I need to find measure of angle m. If I need measure of angle, I use what?
I use cross multiplication to find.
No. If you have sine, cosine, and tan Muhammad, and we need to find the angle, we use inverse sine, inverse cosine, or inverse tan. It means in the calculator shift. So shift sine, not sine directly. Okay, so it will be shift sine. It means sine -1. If you write it in your calculator, it comes like this. Okay, for the fraction which is 200 over 1,000, 208 over 1,000, and you can make it in your calculator and find measure of angle M, which represents
12.
the angle of L depression. You have a calculator?
Yes.
Okay, can you find it, please?
Yes, it's 12.005.
So approximately is equal to 12 degree. Excellent. So the inclination angle for this person when he making this practice will be 12 degree. 12 degree. Thanks, Muhammad. And start to write. I leave the answer for about 30 seconds. You can write the answer. He need here the angle of depression. We start by sine because we have opposite over hypotenuse, and then substitute, make inverse sine, and after that you can find the measure of the angle. Okay. Okay, let's start to solve this problem. Let's start to solve this problem. Okay, I'll start with Ibrahim. Ibrahim, can you read the problem, Ibrahim?
Yes. Find the area of a triangle ABC to the nearest 10.
Okay, I need to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so I need the rule. Can you give me the rule, please?
I didn't know.
You don't know the rule?
Yes.
Type. Okay, I'll go to Mazen and then return back to you. Okay, Mazen, can you give me the rule, please, to get the area?
Yes, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem and make root 11 squared minus 9 squared.
Okay, after that?
We will get the third side.
After we getting the third side?
We're getting the area.
By what? Pay attention with me. Pay attention with me. I have two new participants, Abdullah Al-Gurney and Salman. Okay, welcome guys. So Abdullah and Salman, I'm just take your attendance. Okay, thanks. طيب Mazen, pay attention with me. When we have a right angle triangle, all of you pay attention. When we have a right angle triangle, we can find the area. We can find the area by using this rule. Area equal half times base times height. So this is right angle triangle, or if we have the height, but here you don't have the height. Even as Mazen said, if you get this side, okay, this is not height, and this is not height, and the third side is not height. So we can't use this rule. We use another rule. We talk about it in one of the recorded videos, which is called area of triangle equal half AB sine C, or half AC sine B, or half BC sine A, according to the information. Mazen, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, Mazen, B small is the side which opposite to angle B, which is 11 yards. So this is B small. Where is A small?
The other side up.
Which is 9. So this is A small, which opposite to angle A. And the missing side is C. Okay, C small. So now you have the value of A and you have the value of B, and angle C equal what?
Unknown.
Angle C.
Angle C. 46.
Yes. So you can use the first form or the second form or the third form.
The first form.
The first form, which is AB sine C, or half the product, it means times the product of two sides sine the included angle. Again, half the product of two sides times the sine of included angle. Okay, so can you substitute with me, Mazen?
Yes.
Area of triangle equal what? Half
times 9 times 11.
Yes, times 9, which refers to A, times what?
Times 11.
Yes.
11. Times sine 46.
Excellent. Sine 46. Okay. I'll go again. I'll go again to Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim. Can you complete, please, by using your calculator?
Okay, wait.
Half times 9 times 11 sine 46.
Uh, 35.6.
Okay, 35.6 what after 6?
60.
Okay, so approximately equal 35.6, okay, yard power 2. Why power 2? Because we talk about what? About area. Okay, he said approximate to the nearest tenth. As Ibrahim said, it's 60. So 6 go, this is the 10th place, go to 0. 0 don't give 6 anything. So the answer will be 35.6 as it is. But pay attention, in the choices, you may find 35.6 yards. And this is wrong. It means I need yard power 2 because I talk about area. Pay attention about this small remark. Thanks, Ibrahim. Thanks, Mazen. I'm going to another example, but I just wait for 30 seconds to write the answer. Okay, let's complete. I'm going to the last problem with us today. The last problem with us today. I'm going to Ziad. Ziad, can you read the problem, please? Ziad, can you read the problem? Are you with me, Ziad? Ziad. Ziad.
Mr. You give me unmute me, not Ziad. Sulaiman, not Ziad.
Sulaiman? Okay, Sulaiman. Can you read the problem with me? Solve.
Solve each triangle round side length to Mr. I don't see Mr. Can you zoom?
Type, okay, I'll enlargement. I make enlargement like this. Do you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And nearest tenth and angle
measure to the nearest degree. What's meaning by solving a triangle? What's meaning by solving a triangle first?
No.
Solving a triangle, it means I find the 6 parts or the 6 main elements of the triangle. The 6 main elements are the 3 angles and the 3 sides. So I need to find the length of the 3 sides and the measure of the 3 angles. So I just write a triangle like this. It's not an accurate triangle. It's not an accurate triangle, okay? And then he write A, B, C. And then after that, he gave me angle A is 50, so I just write 50. And angle B is 30. And C, it means the side which opposite to angle C, which is what? This is angle C. The side opposite to angle C is what?
9.
AB. AB is the side opposite to the angle.
Okay.
So he gave me, this is 9, for example, 9 centimeter, 9 meter. I don't know about the unit about it. So I just write unit length, 9 unit length. It means any unit you need to use. Okay. Now I need to solve the triangle. To solve the triangle, okay, I need to find the 3 angles. I have here the first angle, the second angle. This is missing. I need to find this. How we can find the third angle? I give you a hint. The sum of measures of the 3 angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C of any triangle must be what? Sulaiman?
What? Yes, with you.
Must be what? The sum of measures of the 3 angles of any triangle, 3 interior angles of any triangle must be 180. Must be what?
180.
So any triangle, big triangle, a small triangle, if you have a triangle, the sum of measures of the interior angles, you have 3 angles, if you add them, you will get 180. Type. I have 2 of them. I need to find the third. Type. The first is what?
What?
The first is what? The first angle. Angle A is what?
50.
And angle B?
30.
Add them. Make plus?
80.
80. The 3 angles is 180. If we take 80 from 180, the remainder is what?
100.
Excellent. So the first, to solve the triangle, I must get the 3 angles and the 3 sides. First, I get the 3 angles. I have 2 angles and I have 1 method. So as you said, I need to find measure of angle C. It's equal 180 minus the sum of the first angle, which is 50, and the second angle, which is what? Which is 30. As you said, it's 80, so 180 minus 80 equal 100. So now this is 100 degree. Okay, thanks, Sulaiman. I'm going to Tamim. Tamim, how are you?
Hello.
Okay,
Yes, how
I
are you,
need to
Mr. Hi.
complete
Good morning.
Tamim. Now, Tamim,
Yes.
I have the measure of the three
Yes.
angles is given now. I have the first angle
Yeah.
is 50, the second is 30, and the third, I get it with
Yes.
Sulaiman, it's 100. Now, I'm
100,
talking
yes.
about the sides. This side is missing. I can use another color. Okay, this side is missing, and this side also is missing. I need to find the length of the two sides. How can I find it?
طيب the half multiply
No, this is the area. We have a rule that called the sine law. You remember it?
Yes.
The sine law.
the multiply to no.
Huh?
Yeah.
The sine law. So just I write the sine law and you complete.
Okay.
The sine law, this is called sine law. The sine law is equal to sine angle A over the side A. Sine angle B over side B, and sine angle C over what? Over small c. Let's start to substitute. Pay attention with me. Angle A equals what? Tamim, are you with me? So I'm going to Naif. Tamim is lost. Okay, Naif.
Yes. Hello?
Naif.
Yes.
Okay, are you with me, Naif?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, substitute with me. Sine A. A equals what?
I have a question. Why did we use the sine law?
We use the sine law if we have the sum, or we have given the angles and you have only one side. If we have the measure of the three angles and you have one side and you need to complete, yani you need to find
The last
the third
side.
side and the second side, we use sine law. Okay, we use sine law. Okay, let's substitute with me. So sine A.
Sine A will be
Sine what? A is what?
opposite over hypotenuse.
La, sine A. I need angle A. Angle A is what?
50.
Yes. So sine A, it means sine 50 over. It means the side which opposite to the angle, which is this side.
It's not
missing.
unknown. It's unknown.
So I just
X.
write it A.
Okay.
Equal. Sine B, it means sine what?
30. Sine 30.
Sine 30 over
B.
Over B. B is missing also. Okay. Sine C.
Sine C missing.
La, sine
No,
C.
100.
Yes. 100.
It's 100. Yes. Over 9.
Over 9.
I use my calculator or?
Yes, use your calculator to find B first. So make the cross multiplication here and get the value of B. So B equal cross multiplication. It means the two numbers which opposite I make multiply. So 9 multiplied by sine 30 over sine 100.
Okay, 1 minute, mister. Mister, my calculator does not work.
Tab, okay, I'm just work, I make a fraction mark and just write 9 multiplied by sine 30 over what?
Over sine 100.
Yes, sine 100. Okay, it's equal to 4 point. He need approximate to the instance, so 4.6 approximately. So approximately it's 4.6 unit length. Okay, this is